Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Paloma cocktail. So these are the ingredients you're going to need, and the first one is some grapefruit soda. I like any one of these two right here. They are my favorites. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. I bought this other grapefruit flavor sparkling water just to try it out and see what it would taste like in a Paloma, and it didn't taste good just because it didn't have much flavor to it, so I would suggest not to use something like that. Next, you're going to need some freshly squeezed grapefruit juice, and I use this little juicer here and I love it. I'm going to leave it linked below if you're interested. You're going to need some silver tequila, and you're going to need some simple syrup and the juice from half of a lime. Simple syrup is equal amounts of water and sugar that you put on the stove and let it dissolve. I'll leave a link below to my recipe if you want to check that out. Okay, let's make this drink. So to my glass, I'm adding some ice, of course. To that, I'm adding 4 ounces of fresh grapefruit juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup, 2 ounces of tequila, the juice from half of a lime, and I'm adding 6 ounces of the grapefruit soda. If you want to, you can rim your glass with salt like when you're making a margarita. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. It all depends on how I feel. I love a Paloma, and especially now that it's so hot, this drink is just so refreshing. I know this is a very short video, but I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.